In this video, I'm going to show you how to move the search bar from the bottom of Safari up to the top. Gives you a little more space at the bottom for other buttons, which you'll see in just a minute, and it's a little cleaner look. To do this, head out to your main home screen, find your settings, open them up, scroll down on the main settings tab to get to apps. Tap on apps, and then tap on the S on the right side to get to where Safari is, and tap on Safari to open it. Now scroll down until you see these little icons for these tabs. We have compact, bottom, and top. Tap on top, go back to Safari, and now we see our search bar is at the top. And we have these buttons added at the bottom. If I scroll down, you can see the search bar more clearly right up there. We also have the option of choosing bottom but not compact. So we have the buttons that showed up when we did at just the top. We have these buttons down here, the back and the share, bookmarks, and tabs. That's the non-compact version. The compact version is just the search bar. And again, to put at the top, just choose top as your option. If you got value from this video, make sure you like and subscribe to let me know. It really helps the channel. Then check out this video on your screen right now, which will show you how to stop your iPhone from tracking you. It's a very important video. Check that out, and I'll see you there.